Hello YouTube, this side is HackroTech. In this video we will try to fix this error. To fix this, first you have to click on F2 key to run the setup menu. It will restart to the setup menu. Now in this, first you will be see like this. You have to click on the plus icon, then to go to the boot sequence. Make sure this is enabled. UEFI mode should be enabled. Then the first priority given to the Windows Boot Manager. This is all good. Make sure the settings save in your system. Click on exit. Let us see if the error has been fixed or not. Still the error has been not fixed. The second step is to open your CPU and you can check this. The boot. Make sure these plugs are totally inside. Make sure to unplug and replug in. Tight this plugs. Okay. Now click on F1. If not, turn off your system. Then again turn it on. Now it's loading. Now you can see the error has been fixed. Our Windows has been started. For any doubts, comment down below. Thank you.
Subscribe to HackroTech and press the bell icon for notification.